What's up, guys? I just put a little bit of TikTok at the beginning of my episode. I hope you guys like it. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can make an extra $500 a week with a digital marketing side hustle and what that entails, what you're going to have to do in order to make that happen. I'm going to go through 5 quick tips, nothing too crazy, but I think they're going to help you out. I think they're going to provide you with a lot of value. First of all, to make an extra $500 a week with a digital marketing side hustle, you're going to need 4 small clients. That's 4 clients that are going to pay you roughly $500 a month for your services. After that, it doesn't matter what digital marketing service that is, whether it's SEM, whether it's SEO, whether it's social media marketing, those services are going to get your agency started and manage your side hustle. To do that, I get to tip number 2, which is in order to manage those clients, you're going to have to put in the time. You're going to have to do your nights and weekends. You're going to have to go out, get the content that's going to be required, meet with clients, and try to produce those results. Each contract that you have is going to take you roughly 20 to 30 hours a month in order to do. Specifically for social media is a little bit more labor intensive. It takes a little bit more work to make the content, design the content, write the text strings, get them scheduled. So 20 to 30 hours of work per client that you have. That could be up to an extra 80 hours you're gonna have to find on your evenings and weekends in order to make this work. Now that comes to tip number 3. It doesn't really matter if you are doing SEM and you're gonna have to make ads or if you're doing social media marketing. You have to find a way to be able to design. Now, what does that mean? That means that you're going to either have to use something like Canva, and I'll put the link below. Canva's a great tool if you're just getting started to learn design and to learn layers. Or if you're a little bit more advanced, I recommend you get on YouTube, you do lots of searches, and you get into that Adobe subscription right away. Now guys, I'm going to apologize. I only have the GoPro today. It's a little bit windy and snowy. I didn't know that when I left the house. It might be a little windy on the audio, so I apologize for that in advance. Just wipe off the lens. All right, back. Tip number 4, the ability to study. It's going to take 20 to 30 hours to manage each of your clients, and you're going to learn a lot on the job. That's the best way you can learn, is get thrown into the fire. But at the same time, you're going to have to be able to study. That doesn't matter if you're going to study how to do the design, study the platforms, study your niche or your specialization of where you want to go. You need to start understanding the different aspects of digital marketing. That's going to require extra time. So yes, all weekend you're going to be out making content, but those evenings you're going to have to get home and start studying in that second shift at 10 o'clock to 2 a.m. when you're going to start to understand all aspects of digital marketing. And lastly, tip number 5. Any digital marketing side hustle still has to get clients. You got to go to network. You're also going to need a portfolio. My recommendation here, I say all the time, try to find one of your first couple clients where you control the social media completely, or do it for your personal brand. The reason is a portfolio is built on your best work, but if a client also has control of the social media, not everything they post is going to be yours. So if you send it out as a portfolio item, it might not reflect your skill level every time you send it out. So try to manage one platform that you completely control. That's your brand and what you're trying to produce, that vision you're trying to produce for the companies you work with. And that's it. That's what it's going to take to get an extra $500 a week with a digital marketing side hustle. Now, I say that, it was only 5 tips. There's more to it. You're gonna have to make relationships. You're going to have to scale. You're gonna have to try to find providers to help you scale over time. Digital marketing always takes more work than people expect. It is not something you can just jump into with basic social media or personal social media knowledge. You need to gain that knowledge, gain that understanding, and then get it going. That's it for this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you get a lot of value from it. I've been getting a lot of messages regarding doing more of these digital agency tip videos. If you like these types of videos, make sure you hit that like button. I'm gonna make more of them. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I really hope to see you guys in the next episode. That's all for now. It's really cold. I did not expect to come out and have it snowing. I should have looked out the window before I started this episode. Nonetheless, I hope you guys are getting some value from it. I'm gonna keep doing these episodes as long as you keep telling me you're getting value. That's my whole goal. Give you guys these tips. Give you that value. I said value 6 times. That's it. I'm rambling now. See you guys in the next episode.